A major diplomatic and economic storm is brewing, and this time, Hollywood could be caught in the crossfire. After the United States announced a punishing 104% tariff on Chinese imports, which officially came into effect this Wednesday, China is now reportedly considering a ban on American films as part of a broader set of retaliatory measures. According to a Bloomberg report citing two influential Chinese bloggers with ties to the government, Beijing is looking at several countermeasures. These include reducing or outright banning the import of US films, imposing new tariffs on US agricultural goods, and targeting American service sectors. So far, the American film industry had largely escaped the growing trade tensions between the world's two largest economies. That's because theatrical releases and streaming platforms were classified under services rather than goods. But that insulation may be about to end. The Chinese market has been a vital source of revenue for Hollywood in recent years, with massive audiences turning out for major franchises. However, a new report from The Hollywood Reporter reveals that earnings of US studios have already taken a hit in China, with local audiences increasingly favoring homegrown Chinese language blockbusters over traditional Hollywood offerings. Meanwhile, the global economy is reacting sharply to the latest escalation in the US China trade war. Asian markets saw steep losses on Wednesday following the White House's confirmation of the tariffs. Japan's Nikkei 225 index fell nearly 4% in morning trade. Markets in South Korea, New Zealand, and Australia also saw significant declines. China's blue chip stocks were down by 1.2%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng index tumbled by 3.1%. MSCI's broadest index of Asia Pacific shares outside Japan dropped 1.7%, according to the Associated Press. The sweeping US tariffs, ranging from 10% to 50% across most of its global trading partners, and a staggering 104% aimed squarely at China, have sent shockwaves through financial markets. As for Beijing's plans, the details were shared online by Liu Hong, an editor at the state backed Xinhua news agency, and Ren Yi, a political commentator and grandson of former Communist Party chief Ren Zhongyi. Other possible retaliatory steps reportedly being considered include a ban on US poultry imports, suspending bilateral cooperation on fentanyl related issues, and investigating the intellectual property advantages enjoyed by US firms operating in China. As tensions rise and retaliatory strategies take shape, all eyes will now be on the next move, both from Washington and Beijing, in what is shaping up to be a bruising trade war with global consequences. Stay tuned for more updates.